Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you actually have the lightning fruit and the right stats to use it effectively. Once obtained, put early points where damage scales best for your build. This speeds clear time and increases knockback. Make sure to equip the fruit and map out a simple 2-move rotation, primary attack then a stun or dash, so you can commit without hesitation. Practice those steps in a low-risk zone until your timing clicks and you can perform them without pausing. Now you move into the core execution, stringing moves rather than spamming single hits. Start with a dash to close, land a light attack, then follow with your shock burst. Cancel into dash when recovery begins to keep pressure. Positioning matters. Hit from above to stagger or force an enemy into environmental hazards. Once done, be mindful of stamina and fruit cooldowns so you avoid being vulnerable. Use quick cancels to maintain uptime and punish opening. To finish fights, look for burst windows. Use your high-damage finisher or coordinate with teammates to chain stuns. Once a fight ends, immediately reposition, regen stamina, and reset your fruit cooldowns before engaging the next target. If something goes wrong, diagnose the issue quickly. High ping or input conflicts often cause missed moves, and overlapping cooldowns waste damage. Adjust keybinds, test in a safe zone, and reduce latency, where possible so your rotations land cleanly next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.